When you wake up in the morning, one of the things that you want to do is to be able to stretch out a very specific muscle called the psoas muscle. The psoas muscle is sort of like the tenderloin of the human body, which comes down along the front of your spine and attaches through the inside of your pelvis and right into the inside of your hip. When you sleep at night, most people will curl their feet up, having this muscle contracted throughout the entire night. When you try to get it out of bed, you're trying to stretch out this really tight muscle in through the front of your spine, and a lot of times you will feel it in through your back as you are trying to stretch that out. So stretching out this psoas muscle is actually one of the most important things that you can do to actually help alleviate that discomfort that you feel in the morning. So I'm going to take you into the treatment area, and I'm going to show you 3 stretches that you can do first thing in the morning to help take away some of the stress off of your lower back. So the first stretch is what they call in yoga the cobra pose. So laying in your bed, you're going to lie on your stomach and push your upper back up, stretching out the hip flexors that come from the front here into the legs. So the second stretch is laying down on the side of the bed. You're going to drop your leg off the side of the bed and try to bend your knee and put your toe on the floor if you can. Just try to stretch out this portion. You should feel a big stretch in through the front of your hip. And the final stretch will be sitting on the side of your bed. Put your feet on the floor and you're just going to roll forward to try to stretch out all the muscles in your low back and open up all the joints in your spine. So I recommend holding each of these stretches for about 20 to 30 seconds and do it equally on both sides of the body. If you notice that this discomfort is lasting for more than just the 10 to 15 minutes after getting out of bed and lasting in towards the day, I highly recommend coming in to getting it checked out so to see if we can figure out what the actual root cause of the problem is and getting you back into better health.